Welcome back to Wakey Boats. I'm your pilot, Mike D. I have a small, seasonably leased property. Everybody likes to rip down the river. When you see a slow, no-wake sign, it's time to throttle back. Because right down the river, you can resume a safe speed, get back on plane, and cruise on to your destination. My little piece of paradise is on a no-wake zone along a river in Delaware. Here are today's lucky contenders. You've seen the videos. What do you think? Is this captain a skipper, meaning there was no wake? Or were these captains wakers, meaning they just blasted right through the marina? Please take a moment and comment below. This channel has no Patreon page, no product push, and is not sponsored. Please like the video. If you think a friend would like it, please share it. And if you'd like to see another, please subscribe and click the notification bell.